How's it going, guys? In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to replace AC unit in your RV trailer. The one we've got in our camper is pretty basic and primitive. It only has manual controls to turn it on or off. No thermostat, no programming, no remote, which makes it extremely inconvenient, especially at night. It constantly blows cold air and it doesn't shut off automatically. And when it gets freezing cold, you gotta get up and manually turn it off. And shortly after, when it gets hot again, you gotta get up and turn it back on. And you have to keep doing this all night long. Our new replacement HVAC unit of choice is going to be this Turbro Thinmark. It's got similar 15,000 BTU cooling capacity. It is programmable, has thermostat, and it can be controlled with a remote or mobile app through Wi-Fi. I'm going to record separate video for each step of the process, and I'll drop the links for those videos as well as all of the necessary parts and tools down in the description area below. So let's go ahead and start with taking out the old AC unit. Before you begin, make sure there's no power connected to your trailer and turn off the breaker for your AC unit. To take out the control panel, we're going to need to open all 4 of these air vent flaps to reveal the screws. We're going to need to take all of them out. As you're taking out the final screws, be prepared the control panel may fall off the ceiling. In my case, it was hanging on these 2 control knobs. I had to take them out first. One of them was being a little bit stubborn, so I had to pull down on this cover to get it out of the way. Next, we're going to take out these 4 very long 10mm bolts. Then we're going to take down this metal frame. Might be a little bit stuck to the ceiling. We're going to unplug this connector from the control board. Now we just need to disconnect the main power cables. Take out these 4 8mm bolts to take out the metal cover. Next, loosen this wire clamp. You don't need to fully take it out, just enough to pull the cable through. Here we've got pretty basic 2 power cables and ground wire. We're going to disconnect all of them. The ground wire is held in place by 8mm bolt. And the other 2 are crimped together. We're going to use pliers to separate them. And now we are ready to remove the outdoor unit. But before we do that, I'm going to zip tie this control board cable to the bottom so it doesn't get in the way when we're going to be lifting up the AC unit. Now carefully get up on the roof and gently take out the AC unit and try not to damage the roof membrane. As you can see, nothing complicated here. You can do this in less than 30 minutes. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.